Final slide for medical physics, and most Year 12 students will be finishing this on the last few days of the term. So 4.8, explain the large differences that would occur in relaxation time between tissues containing hydrogen-bound water molecules and tissues containing other molecules. So let's look at this. Relaxation is the name of the process whereby the nuclear return to random out-of-phase precession. There are two relaxation processes called T1 and T2, but let's go back one step. So relaxation means that when the nuclei in your body are subjected to a high magnetic field, they will align themselves parallel, anti-parallel. Once they align themselves anti-parallel or parallel, they will then, with radio waves present, align themselves into a high energy state from parallel to anti-parallel. And this moment of time is key for MRI, because when we switch off these radio wave pulses and magnetic field, it will go back, only radio waves. When we switch off the radio waves back to its original state, or out of phase or returning to random, then it will give us a particular value, and we can determine what the composition is of that tissue or muscle. So let's have a look at this. So T1's definition is the time taken for the net magnetization vector, or M vector, to return to 63% of its original value, and it's an exponential function. So this means that large molecules and bound water molecules, such as fat, liver, and your spleen, have a short T1, while free water has a long T1, and you can see that in the diagram on the top. Whereas T2 relaxation is defined as the time for the nuclei to decay to 37% of the initial precession coherence. So this is the precessing nuclei transferring their energy to the other precessing nuclei rather than the lattice. Hence, T2 relaxation is known as a spin-spin relaxation. So there are also different T2 profiles, and they can be found by large molecules in tendons and muscles that have a short T2, while free water has a long T2 shown in the bottom diagram there. Okay, so basically you would need to know for your HSC defining what relaxation is, the two states, and giving an example of short T1, a long T1, a short T2, and a long T2.